Hey everyone, I'm so excited. This is the new NuVissa pen and I'm going to open it with you. It's made in the USA. It comes in its own fragile case. Ooh, there is, wow, nice packaging. And I should tell you what this is about. This is a plasma pen and I bought it for two reasons. One, it helps treat conjunctival chalasis, which is where you get extra wrinkles on your conjunctiva that can make you feel like something's in your eye. And I didn't really have a great way to treat it before this. And the second is this can treat extra skin on the eyelids, and that may not be bad enough for surgery. But we can treat it with the plasma pen and help improve the appearance. You know, I have the Resurfix, which helps wrinkles on the face and surgical scars and acne scars, but I can't go inside the orbital bony rim with the Resurfix laser because it's a laser. But this is a plasma pen. It doesn't go deep like a laser, and it can treat inside the bony orbit. So it's so exciting. All right. Oh, here we go. Here is the pen. I need to untape it. I might need some scissors. Well, I will show you here in the wrapping, and then the charging cord and the plasma pen tips. Amazing. And here are some extra tips. We're going to talk more about these as I get to know them more, but these are for electrophoresis, which help kind of tighten and lift your skin as well, but they're not as I should say invasive as the plasma pen. Both of these are not invasive, by the way, but this is more kind of just like a gentle lift, and this is the extra tightening. I can show you real quick. Here is the brochure from the company, and if we want to zoom in, so here are all the areas that it treats: upper lids, lower lids, fine lines and wrinkles. It can even do the neck. And here's just some examples of, you can see before and after, how much of an improvement we get. These little dots are the area of treatment after the plasma pen. Look at this before and after. Wow. Love it. So I'm so excited. Thanks for joining me for the unboxing of my new plasma pen. One of the joys of buying fun things like this is, you know, you ask for things to treat eyelids and conjunctival chalasis, and I find out the best solution, and I get to buy it and bring it to you to help take care of your eyes and your skin. Thank you.